Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Specially invited dancers added to the energy on Saturday night for Fame Frequency's Dancers Roll Call.
Zoom crew, roll out on them!
Yeah.
Ready!
The Rasta party, everything done upload. Every Rasta wisdom make them proud. Fresh like out on the grass with a green letter prince.
The night was filled with flair and excitement as dancing dynamites and dance expressions took over the Frequency stage, as well as dance crews joining VIP via the Zoom area, showcasing their signature dance moves.
What you know?
Roll out the cool as the breeze. Wallet look like a science book, where a school never teach.
During the show, the Professor Orville Hall, on a high that his expressive dance move class is now accredited by the Heart Trust NTA, gave fans a taste of what to expect.
Next time! Jenny, lift up the rest!
It's a 3-year contract. We have to train 240 dancers. So tonight was the dry run to make sure so we can teach properly, you know what I mean? So this was the training ground. So look out for it. Expressive moves, dance hall course outline, starting in November.
Dancers, roll call DJs, Narity, King Taj, Xavier and Rodrick kept the theme of the night going.
Hey!
Everybody be a do the bombs.
So. Ready?
Everybody be a do the winnie bombs. Can't touch this.
Frequency was a movie as usual. I had to drop with some extra dancers because I couldn't do it all by myself. Enough for Rodrick and the crew. It was nice. We enjoyed ourselves. Make sure everybody enjoyed themselves. Zoom crew roll out wickedly. I liked it. It was great.
Listen, everybody a dancer, but everybody can dance. Listen to me, dancers rollout was off the chain. I learned some new moves. Big up to the dancers, one.
With energy compared to none, Saturday's host Jenny praised the organizers, the DJs and the dancers for another fantastic staging of Fame Frequency.
When you have dancers a roll out and DJs a play all them hits there, and the Zoomers them a catch the move, and people from China and all over the place, doctors and politicians and bankers pan it, mad.
Fame Frequency will pay homage to the greats with heroes of reggae at this Saturday's Heroes Weekend staging. Join the party in your Jamaican colors, of course. See you then. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.